we'll have like the three most important questions on the site form. We don't want to overwhelm somebody with questions, otherwise it might discourage them. Of course, so their name, their address, and just a quick description of what they're looking for. But when we respond, the very next questions we're going to ask is, we're going to ask a budget question, because we have certain costs associated with just showing up. So there's going to be cost questions. Sometimes what somebody wants is just a little help with repairing a little something, and so that's not for us. Another question is inspiration pictures or ideas. Are they looking for a block wall? Are they looking for a rockery wall? So we're going to get into a little more description of what they're looking for. We're going to ask about access. How accessible is your situation? Have they done any other research already? Do they have any paperwork, geotech, engineering, permitting, drawings, anything like that? Super helpful. And then of course, area. We're going to further dial in. Where are they located? Is it within our work area?